A huge storm is soaking the Pacific Northwest today, and it's heading our way. An atmospheric river is bringing wild weather to our region. Heavy rain, snow, and a big temperature drop. And that's just the start of it. We'll break down this week's winter blast and show you how it will impact your day. Good morning. Let's start with a look at the weather across the country. We've got some wild weather in store for the Pacific Northwest over the coming days. An atmospheric river is moving in, and it's going to bring a whole lot of rain and snow to the region. While today's rainfall is relatively light, it's going to be a precursor to a much more significant deluge tomorrow. So residents should get ready for some potential travel disruptions and flooding risks. The good news is that this weather will help ease the drought in the area. It's a different story further east, with sunny skies and colder temperatures in the forecast for most. There is a chance of some locally heavy rain in northern Florida, which could be a welcome sight for some dry regions. Looking at the next few days in more detail, that atmospheric river will continue to dump heavy precipitation on the Pacific Northwest through to the middle of the week. This system will bring some wild and windy weather too. Further east, a broad upper-level trough will dominate, bringing colder air and the chance of snow to the northern states and the Great Lakes region. This cold snap is going to persist for several days, so it's going to feel pretty chilly across the north. The Ohio Valley region is going to see some interesting weather over the next 24 hours. We've got a cold front moving through the area, which is going to bring some snow and rain with it. Chicago and Indiana are in for a cloudy, cold day with some morning snow, maybe an inch or so of fresh powder. This front will bring some wintry weather to Kentucky, too. Louisville and Lexington are looking at a cloudy, mild day with a chance of snow later on. Ohio's forecast is a little more varied. Columbus has a chance of some freezing drizzle first thing, and then some snowy flurries later. Cincinnati and Cleveland might see some rain and snow mix later in the day. This front will bring some cloudy, cool weather across the region, with highs only just above the freezing mark. In Pennsylvania, it's a similar picture of cloud and cold. Pittsburgh could see some snow later on, and there's a chance of some patchy freezing fog in the morning. Philadelphia and Allentown have a partly sunny day ahead, but it will be brisk. Down in Tennessee, it's going to be cloudy with some foggy patches. Nashville and Memphis could see some rain later in the day. Finally, West Virginia, Charleston, and Huntington are looking at a damp day with some drizzle and snowy weather later. Morgantown is a little cooler, and you might see some snow flurries this morning. That cold front is going to keep things interesting across the region. If you're heading out this morning, especially in the north of the valley, keep an eye on those roads. That's your forecast for today from Weatherby. Stay weather aware and have a great day.